beer-brined, spicy chuck roast burnt ends. Let's get involved, people. Come on. Hello and welcome back to BBQ Jams. I'm your host, Will Bloomberg, and tonight, guys, we've got a killer recipe we're going to be cooking up tonight. It is a beer-brined, spicy chuck roast burnt end that's going to be incredible. I'm going to show you guys how to cook that here in just a second. Also, who is coming over tonight? Guys, we have Ian Atkinson on the keys. We have Carrie Jordan on bass, Chris Underdahl on guitar, and we have a newcomer tonight, Jeremy King. He's gonna be blowing up some sax for us, and myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So without further ado, let's get involved, people. Boom! All right, so how do we get started in this recipe? So our chuck roast, we had to start this a little early today because of timing situations going on here. But essentially what we're doing is I've taken 2 chuck roasts and I've put them in this pot, this Le Creuset. And I've taken 3 cans of Miller Lite and dumped it in here and dredged it in here for about an hour. A little more than an hour is what you want. So I'm getting ready to pull it. We're gonna pat it dry. We're gonna put a rub on it. And then after that, we're gonna be popping it on the green egg and indirect cook at about 250. So here we go. Okay, so now that we've been sitting here brining in this beer for about an hour, a little over an hour, we're gonna go ahead and pull it and pat it dry. So if you have a favorite beef rub, go ahead and grab it, and we're gonna be putting it all over this beef before we put it in the green egg. Okay, cool. All right, now that we're all patted dry, we're gonna be going on with some cow cover from Cosmos Q. We're gonna be using that for a beef rub tonight. So now that we've got our cow cover all over this, we're gonna pop it in the green egg. It's cooking at about 250. We're gonna go until it hits an internal temperature of 170. And 170, we're gonna pull it, bring it over here, and we're gonna chop it into cubes, about 1 inch cubes. And then we're gonna pop it back in Le Creuset with some sauce. So you guys can check this out here. So here we go. All right, look at these babies, they're looking great. Let's pop on the green egg. Boom, there we go. Again, we're looking for 170 before we pull, or when we pull, and then we're gonna be cubing it up. So let's get that sauce going. Okay, so now it's time to get into this sauce. So what we're gonna be starting with, 16-ounce can of beer. Got that. Now we're gonna go in with some ketchup. A good squirt of mustard, and now it's going with, let's say, probably about 1/3 of the brown sugar out of this package. I'm gonna go in with some apple cider vinegar. Okay, we're gonna go with these chipotles. Chipotle. I can never say that right, I don't know why.
Chipotle.
All right, cool.
Chipotle. And now you know.
Now we're gonna go in with some chipotles. I'm gonna do about 3 spoonfuls and then go from there. Kind of just, you know, wherever the heat lands you. And now we're also gonna be going in with 1 package of taco seasoning. Trust the process, people. We're gonna give this a stir. We're gonna let it simmer, come to a nice simmer for about 10 minutes or so, and then we're gonna be popping it in the Dutch oven along with our chunks of chuck roast. So you guys hang tight, like and subscribe, check out these jams. We're having a good time. Come on, people. Okay, we are up to temp. Let's go ahead and pull this. Let's check it out. Oh man, check it out. Woo! Look at that. It's time to cube these boys up. Did I? Okay. All right, cool. All right. So we're gonna cube this up. We're gonna be putting it in the Dutch oven along with our sauce. I'm gonna show you guys here in just a second. So here we go. All right, now it's time for our sauce. Check that out. Have the camera on that?
Yeah, you got it.
Dude, look.
Fogged it on.
Can you see? I know, sorry. Anyway, here we go. Throwing our sauce, guys. Check that out. Oh. Huh?
What's in that sauce?
A lot of good stuff. You'll have to watch the episode and find out.
Yeah. Tell you to say big we don't problem.
Yeah, that's right. All the good stuff, buddy. All right, I'm gonna give us a little mix, and I'm gonna be popping this back onto the green egg for this to cook down a little bit, and then we'll be serving it up. Hope you guys are enjoying this episode. Please like and subscribe. Come on now, let's get involved, people. All right, guys, here we are. Look at those babies. Woo-hoo! I hope y'all are excited about some of this right here. Oh my God. Oh. All right, I'm gonna stick this actually right here. I'm gonna load them up on the board, and then we're gonna get involved. Let me give it a turn, and then we're gonna see what happens here. Oh yeah. Dude. All right, guys, here we are. We are ready for these burnt ends. These guys have been chomping at the bit. They are so ready to get over here. So we are gonna bring in over here. We got Jeremy King in the house. Come on down. What's up, brother? How's it going, man? All right. Yeah, brother. I'm so excited to get involved with some of this, and we got some great players here tonight. Jeremy King's gonna be knocking it out on that saxophone. So who else do we have over here? We got Kerry Jordan. Come on, Kerry Jordan. Oh God, this guy. What's up, baby?
I'm hungry.
You excited? I know you're excited. We also have Ian Atkinson over here. Come on down. What's up, bro? You ready?
Yes,
You ready, bro? Come on. And we also have Chris Underdahl. Come on down. What's up? Ready, bro? Come on down. Well, without further ado, gentlemen, pick your weapon.
Choose your poison.
Choose your poison, whatever it is. I'm gonna go for this guy up here in the front.
Dig right in.
And don't be shy.
Good job, Mazzy.
Oh yeah, Mazzy.
Yours is coming soon.
She's on the
baby
attack.
girl.
All right.
Cheers, gentlemen.
Cheers.
All right. Oh yeah, we've got paper towels here too. Let me hook you up.
Sometimes we win, sometimes we don't.
There you go.
Oh my God.
Woo!
Same.
Oh man. There you go. Last one.
That was
Whoa.
wonderful.
Whoa. Oh,
Very nice.
I got nothing but fat.
It's so chewy, but it's so flavorful.
It's so good. Lots of flavor going on there. Oh my God. Whoa. And it's not really that hot. That heat. It's not too crazy.
Kiss.
Yeah, just a little bit. Yeah. Man, that is incredible, guys. You guys got to give this a shot for sure. This thing is incredible. Guys, thank you all so much for being here tonight and wanting to get involved. We're going to have some fun, man. These jams are going to be off. It's going to be crazy.
Let's go.
Well, anyway, guys, I'm going to bring some other people over here. I'm going to serve up some more of this, and we're going to get involved. So, anybody else ready to get involved? We got Martine over here.
Yeah.
We have Arthur. Oh, yeah, go for it. Going in for the other one?
If he's gonna, I'm gonna.
Yeah. Don't be shy. What's up,
Yeah.
dude? How's it going?
Great. To be better.
We also have Andrew over here from Yellow Rose Barbecue. What's up, Bubba?
Good.
How's it going?
Good.
Dude, help yourself. Come on in. We have Arthur Zaragoza. What's going on? Who else do we have over here? Man, we got all sorts of people coming in.
You got Kyle over here.
We got Kyle. What's up, Kyle? We also have, wait, where is he? We got Anthony over here too. Anthony's got to come in and say what's up. Dude. Yeah, it's a different ball game on these things. You guys get involved in those things, so they're really good. Hopefully you didn't get a big fatty piece on that.
Yeah, I got a big fatty piece on mine.
Did you get a big fatty?
Yeah.
Grab another, brother. Go back in.
Sure.
Yeah.
Get another big fatty, trust me.
Big fatty.
That front right one's going.
Yeah. Let's try,
Yeah, man.
try this guy right here.
It's pretty
Not
fast.
bad. Sweet.
Really good.
Thank you guys. Thank you. All right. I think everybody's enjoying themselves over here. Guys, we're gonna go ahead and kill these things off. We're gonna catch you guys back here in a minute. Let's get involved. Woo! Excellent show on BBQ Jams tonight. Oh my God, those burnt ends were incredible. What'd you guys think of those burnt ends tonight?
Incredible, man.
Oh my God, guys. I mean, look at the board. It's gone.
Oh, it's gone. It's gone.
Incredible. And that sauce was really the hit of that. That sauce was incredible. What? You like the sauce?
Was saucy.
It was super saucy. Hey, so we also have some merch to give away over here from the merch company. Thank you very much, Derek Enner. So we have Jeremy King over here. I'm going to be hooking him up with a hat and a shirt. Check it out, looking good. Let me get this going here. Woo! All right, cool. Hey, 1 second. We also have Andrew over here. We got to hook him up too. What's going on, dude? How's it going? All right, cool.
Thank you, Derek.
Yes. Gotta get with a shirt too. Now you guys you may have to swap out because I might have it mixed up. And we also have Kyle over here. Kyle, what's up, dude?
Hey, man.
We got you a nice shirt going on here. Looking sweet. Yeah, so it's official. You guys have been BBQ Jams. Guys, we've had an excellent show. Thank you so much for tuning in, liking, subscribing. We're having a ball over here, so let's get involved, people. Come on. Yeah.